Open the browser and enter the URL www.resources.teamob.co.in. Go to the Agent Installation menu, scroll down and click on Download DEB Setup. Open the terminal. Type sudo apt install adcli. Enter password and hit on enter. Type Y then press enter key. Once downloaded, open the download folder and right-click on an empty space and click on Open in Terminal. Type sudo dpkg TeamOB.deb and then press enter. It will ask for password, enter the password and wait for installation. Open terminal and type ping license.teamob.in and then hit on enter. You will get a response from something like 64 bytes. If you get continuous request timeout, then allow license.teamob.in on your network. Open TeamOB and enter the activation code. Don't forget to check the Ask Credentials, then click on Register button. If registered, then you will get login pop-up, open terminal and ping your TeamOB console URL. In my case, my URL is demo.teamob.in. You will get 64 bytes from something. If you get continuous request timeout, then allow TeamOB console URL to your network. Enter the username and password. Don't forget to check Remember Me and click on Sign In button. After signed in, you can see TeamOB icon on status bar.